Hey guys, we'll look at several fantastic devices in today's video that will simplify life and enable you to get more done. Tools that fit your daily schedule can help you to keep organized and save time. Also, stay around for a surprise gadget at the end that could change how you work. If you enjoy the video, kindly like it, comment with your preferred tools, and subscribe for more tech and creative ideas. Let's dive in.
M-Cube Modular Laser Measure, the future of precision right now. Just $249 for this innovative tool redefines accuracy for both experts and do-it-yourselfers. Its interchangeable modules let you quickly measure anything from basic distances to intricate angles. Fun fact, the M-Cube team invested more than $1 million honing their laser calibration system to guarantee exactness. One click will let you measure up to 300 feet. Every toolkit needs this since early testers claimed a 50% rise in productivity. Its strong design also helps it to resist drops and hostile conditions, so augmenting its list of remarkable qualities. Amazingly, it survived a 3-story building fall without losing functionality in its prototype phase. Join us as we investigate the tech wonders behind the M-Cube Modular Laser Measure to learn why it's revolutionizing the field. Bringing the perfect storage solution, revolutionizing digital life. The Cowzry MagBox. This device guarantees your data are safely and fast transmitted utilizing premium encryption techniques with a strong 1 TB capacity and a low price of $80. Its MagBox provides unmatched dependability, whether your needs are for a creative professional with plenty of room or a student running large-scale projects. Its elegant little form fits well in your pocket or bag and shows compatibility with all of the main operating systems. Built to resist regular use and damage, it assures data security. Also, with a 2-year guarantee, the Cowzry MagBox offers unparalleled price and peace of mind. Improve your digital storage experience right now to take advantage of the Cowzry MagBox's security and conveniences. Good answer to every one of your outside mosquito problems. Now only $49, MoziGuard provides unparalleled protection with its innovative ultrasonic technology, creating a mosquito-free wall around you. The lightweight insect repellent can help keep bothersome pests away while you enjoy nature activities like camping, trips, and yard barbecues. Maybe you never heard that mosquitoes transmit illnesses such West Nile and Zika. MoziGuard helps you to save your wellness while you enjoy nature. This lightweight and ecologically friendly construction makes every outdoors enthusiast to have it. Get a MoziGuard right now and enjoy the greatest outdoor comfort available, the freedom to wander free from concerns. This promises long-lasting usage and low environmental effect. Its silent operating characteristics will help you to completely appreciate the surroundings as they will free you from any noise. Featuring the M-XTR, your one-stop fix for anything you need. 148 precision tools in one screwdriver. For just $69, this adjustable toolkit is ideal for professionals, self-employed individuals, and techies alike. The M-XTR can help with everything from furniture assembly to gadget and appliance repairs. Its ease of use is guaranteed by its ergonomic design, and the premium materials ensure durability. The average individual encounters more than 50 minor repairs annually. The M-XTR will help you easily address them all. Update your toolkit right now to enjoy the simplicity that comes with 148 tools within a strong, small screwdriver. It has a magnetic tip, which facilitates handling tiny screws and parts with loss. Its small dimensions fit exactly in any drawer or toolbox and enable simple portability and storage. Using color-coded bits allows you to rapidly identify the correct tool for the task, so saving you important time. Invest in the M-XTR now to enjoy the ease of having a complete repair solution right at hand. If you're looking for a powerful handheld solution that combines a vacuum, air pump, and jump starter, look no further than the VaccuAire. A 2500A maximum current jump starter, a 120W max hoover, and a zero-towel 150 psi ability for tires and ball air inflation are all part of the VaccuAire, and it's available for $89. With its 8,000 mAh battery and included flash and SOS light, this headlamp will keep you safe in any emergency. Anyone can clean their car, pump their tires, and even jump-start their vehicle with this small and lightweight device. An unexpectedly dead battery is a typical problem that can arise on the side of the road. They will never again be left stranded when you have VaccuAire. When you'd like to be prepared for life's little emergencies, get VaccuAire today. It's small, it's easy to store in your garage or car trunk. Because it can do more than one thing, it saves your money and space by replacing a bunch of separate tools. Be the VaccuAire your go-to tool for all of your maintenance and emergency needs. The best answer for crystal clear communication in every environment, the Anker Work S600 all-in-one speakerphone priced at $200. This formidable gadget delivers unmatched audio quality by combining an speakerphone, microphone, and noise-reducing technologies boosted by artificial intelligence. S600 guarantees that your speech comes over loud and clear, whether you work in a busy workplace or a noisy house. Fun fact, Anker spent more than $500,000 on its cutting-edge artificial intelligence models. Ideal, excellent phone conferences and virtual meetings. Did you know it can link to many devices concurrently? Early users have seen a 40% increase in productivity and call quality. The elegant, small form makes it very portable. The simple touch controls give its use a contemporary touch. For data management and storage, Speekeys is the greatest portable solution. With many connectivity options and up to 2 TB of storage capacity, Speekeys is a robust and compact device that is perfect for professionals that are always on the road. For only $29, this device offers exceptional security measures, together with lightning-fast transfer rates, making data management a breeze. In organizing high-resolution photos and data, Speekeys is the greatest tool, whether you're a business traveler or a photographer. The fashionable look and simple plug-and-play operation transform the way that digital storage is managed. Speekeys makes it simple to remain in touch and upgrade your EDC necessities. Here's where creativity and functionality collide. Furthermore, its design is made to endure normal wear and tear, guaranteeing endurance. An entire HD video may be transferred in less than a minute. Did you know that? Incredibly, a digital life game changer, not simply a storage device. About the Shot Clock Max, an ultimate alarm clock that will change the way you wake up every day. Its clever gadget, which costs $130, wakes you up and helps you get out of bed by vibrating gently, sounding a loud alarm, or giving you a little electric shock depending on your preferences. Customers using the Shot Clock Max claim to be 90% more capable of waking up on time. Its intelligent technology monitors your sleep habits to make sure you get up at the most convenient moment. In addition, you may adjust settings and track your progress with the accompanying app. An interesting fact, $300,000 was spent by the Shot Clock Max team of developers to refine its exclusive wake-up technology. It is a lifesaver for those who have erratic schedules and are heavy sleepers. It is much more than simply an alarm clock. Learn how Shot Clock Max is revolutionizing mornings and ensuring that you never again hit the snooze button. Hear about the Ego Film Processor, a cutting-edge tool that is reviving the joy of film processing. At $471, this state-of-the-art processor is a must-have for photographers and film fans, as it blends traditional film processing methods with contemporary technology. Were you aware that it can process a roll of film in less than 10 minutes? Fun fact, to refine its own processing algorithms, the Ego team spent over $500,000 on research and development. Its small size guarantees that it blends in well with any workstation, and the user-friendly design makes it simple for anybody to operate. Every time you develop black and white or color film, this Ego film processor produces amazing superior results. Using environmentally friendly processing options is considerate of both the environment and your images. Come explore the features that turn the Ego film processor into a photographic industry game-changer. Meet the Haloasis A1, the holographic lyric wireless speaker meant to transform your listening experience. Selling at $600, this innovative speaker not only produces excellent sound quality, but also projected holographic lyrics, therefore producing a full visual and auditory experience. The Haloasis crew spent more than $1 million on R&D to realize this futuristic element. Your real-time lyric synchronizing and amazing holographic projection of the A1 mark just begun. Its 2 full-range drivers and subwoofer provide powerful bass and crystal-clear highs for any kind of music. Fun fact, it transforms any space into a music venue by means of a karaoke mode linked to a cordless microphone. Its adjustable light displays and dynamic visual effects have helped users to appreciate music 50% more. Also, very user-friendly is the Smart app, which lets you manage everything from lights to lyrics. Come discover the Haloasis A1 with us as technology meets creativity and music transforms into an extraordinary experience.